Some days, good mood is always sponsored by a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Are you a coffee person or a tea person? Once again, welcome back to Dr. Mommy B. Let's streamline our morning routine by setting up a coffee bar or a tea station. So let's get started. DIYs are the better and the best option while doing home decor or organization. Applied clear tap on the glass bottles to get a horizontal pattern while doing spray paint. I always wanted to prepare a coffee station at home, but the space consideration was limiting me from that. And this time, I don't want to compromise. I decided to make one within the limited space. After drying the paint, just peeling off the tap and you will get a nice pattern on your bottles. Repeating the same in all the bottles. Now let's fill in the supplies. Regularly we use black tea and black tea bags belong to this bottle. Filling the other with green tea bag. This is the normal green tea with lemon. I'm a coffee person. I have lot of coffee blends at home. A cup of coffee, for me, it's peace. Storing espresso and Nescafe Classic in 2 bottles. And this is filter coffee, which is one of my favorite. I got this box from Homebox and this is perfect and airtight for coffee storage. Some sip of coffee will give us lot of memories and one such is brew for me. The college days, the school days and my old childhood have lot of memories with brew. Now, who doesn't love Indian tea or chai? The rich, milky, deeply colored, steaming hot and boldly flavorful one. The aromatic blend of spices and herbs can make chai into masala chai. So in one bottle I am storing the cardamom or elaichi by crushing them, so it's very handy while making tea, and in another bottle I am storing the cinnamon sticks. A piece of art is mandatory while making a coffee station to be more tempting. Yes, coffee makes everything possible. This is another DIY. I am using a chocolate box lid to make the frame. Just cut the paper and fit it inside the box lid. Secure it with a cello tape on both sides. Paint the borders with black color to give the exact frame look. And it's done. Easy peasy. Now let's organize. I got this foldable rack from Amazon. This gives an elegant and vintage look to a coffee station. These chalk labels can add more effect to it. Next to the stand, I am keeping a stainless steel mug holder. I just love this holder because it holds lot of cups and weight. Always pink for me and blue for S. Storing broken mugs is an add-on bonus for DIYs. Here I have managed to stick a broken mug and I have painted with spray paint. In this I am keeping few teaspoons and the milk frother. I think the best milk frother is from IKEA, the cheapest and the most affordable and the long-lived one. I love to have wooden spoons and I got two of them, very small one from Daiso. Adding some stainless steel straw and this cute spoon for Nino. Isn't it more functional now? I used the same trick of masking tape on one of the polka dot and this coffee is written by permanent marker. A small flower pot for that calm feel. Adding a coffee themed tray to carry the mugs around. Adding a small tray nearby for keeping extra sachets and new sachets. Sometimes I buy single little sachets for trying and experimenting. Lipton's ginger infusion is one of my favorite herbal tea. I wanted to add little more art, so I used this sauce lids. Just did some cute paintings on these and protected with varnish.
Coffee sayar yayuk palenete yayuk inki tarana coffee.
I don't want to take more of my countertop space, so I bought this storage organizer. These are the best if you have very little space. And to this stand goes our chukku kapi or dry ginger coffee which we have while having cold. This is Karkada. It is a very flavorful Arabian tea. This is stevia, a sweetener, but we can have it like tea. Then comes the extra coffee and some Narden Wynarden coffee. This is for making Mr. S favorite saffron tea. This is a silicone cup lid I bought for Mr. S. It's perfect to prevent spillage. This is Moroccan mint, my favorite green tea. This is my stress buster, the chamomile tea. Next to this, I am storing few of the glasswares. Adding kit stainless steel cups and some disposable cups for easy takeaway. Keeping the iced tea mugs and the smoothie mugs along with this. And it's done. There is no time like morning or evening or the middle of the day for having a coffee. Still, morning coffee is my favorite way of starting a day. Take a shower, wash away every trace of yesterday, get dressed, make coffee, let the windows open, let the sun get in, hold the cup with two hands and feel the warmth. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more and give a thumbs up if you liked it.